Hello, good evening. Yeah, we are in the next section, right? So this section looks pretty short, okay, but contains some very important concept. Why people need to learn tuple, because a very important aspect. Tuple or tuples are hashable. Lists are not. Okay, so what does that mean? We know that tuple can be an element, right? Can be an element in the previous example. Okay, you can create a tuple. Tuple. The basic idea is a compound things. If you people. So what is compound? Compound is English means an element actually contains some other several or multiple elements. Okay, this is called a compound. Did I say compound? Actually, I say compound. And I think the composite has a quite similar meaning. Okay, means the things contain several other small components. Okay, let's give an example. For example, name. Okay, what's your name? My name is Herng-Yow. Okay, Herng-Yow. That's 我的姓名. But it could be a compound. It could be a composite because 姓, last name, Chen, and first name, Herng-Yow. Okay, all put together is name. Okay, so it's a compound. Okay, so what else could we have a compound? Maybe in music, if I said that a chord, we know the chords. Yeah, chord is three or more notes being played together or play in a certain pattern. That's a chord. Okay, do, mi, so. Okay, C, E, G. This chord, they have a three elements. Okay, the most important is the root note. Okay, C, and the third degree of the note and the fifth degree of the note. Okay, so I can use a composite structure to describe a chord. What else? A lot of things. I think that in daily life we can use a compound structure. Okay, yeah, we can maybe in our sentence. Okay, in our sentence, they are constructed from short phrases. Okay, a words and some space. Okay, they are compound together, they composite together. Okay, etc. It's not a good example. So anyhow, the most important is that we cannot use the list as a key. You cannot insert the list and use it as a key to do the hash function. Okay, but you can use a compound structure, tuple. Okay, in Python to put into the key. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, the text exactly use this example. Okay, let's assume we have maintained the telephone directory. Telephone is the name, telephone numbers, kind of mapping. But in the name, we have a last name, first name. So let's assume you already have the empty directory. Okay, this is your key, right? But in the compound structure. Okay, it looks like a 2-dimension, but actually, be careful. In Python, okay, we can omit this parenthesis, so it's actually the compound structure. Okay, and you insert a number. Okay, and you can retrieve, okay, this compound structure from the directory, from this, because it's a key. Okay, it's a key, so you can use a single vocabulary called a key to retrieve it. If you insert the key is a compound, you retrieve the key is a tuple. Okay, you insert a tuple, you retrieve the tuple, and then of course you need to later on kind of decompose the tuple. Okay, but here if you already insert in this the last name, first name, the tuple into, you retrieve this, that's fine. They consider as a key. Okay, this is a high level language, and then you can print it out. The first elements, the second, first names, the last name, and you also print out a value. Okay, because this is the index. Okay, I will demonstrate how it works. Okay, let's assume we have a directory. Okay, I need a D directory. Okay, empty. Oh, okay, D. We know we can have a first name, last name. Let's assume first name and last name. HY is my short initial for the last name, and my phone number. Okay, it's a fake phone number. Okay, another one, let's just assume that we keep inputting 1 LT. Okay, maybe okay, so etc. and Chinese. Okay, it's a compound. Okay, probably this. Okay, you can print it out. Okay, so the information got here. Okay, we know this is a dictionary, right? So first item, second item, third items. Okay, in each the key value pair. Okay, the first key is a composite structure, have a 2 part. Okay, 2 item inside. Okay, the same. And because the key can be any type. Okay, so you can actually keep inputting, and as long as you deal with it right. Okay, so let me first try. If you retrieve the information, for example, last name, first name in dictionary. Actually, you are retrieving this compound structure as a key. Remember, you are doing this. Okay, and you print last name, first, last name, and D, and of course you need to use last name, first name. Okay. Okay, I put the first name first. Okay, so Hy Chen. Okay, Chen Herng-Yow. Okay, okay. So what if you access this way? We know the dictionary we can traverse through key. What if you do this? Okay, and let's see the structure. Be curious, be critical about exploring some variation. Key, D key. It should workable. Should be workable, right? Yeah. Actually, you retrieve back the compound structure of it. Okay, and then if you use this way, of course, you can. Can I do this? 0, the first tuple, and then second tuple. Okay. Arrow. Indented arrow. Oh, that's I need to do this. Yeah, I forgot to rewrite the full part. Okay, I forgot to do this. That's the arrow from. So you see the power of the compound structure. Okay, that make the tuple much more useful. Okay, we know that the tuple is read-only, a simplified version of the list. And people may think that, okay, simplified version, read-only, so I can always use the list. Yeah, sometimes that you can use the list to do most of things, okay? But if you want to do this, insert the key as a tuple structure, no, you cannot use the list as a key. You need to use a very brilliant, very concise tuple structure. Okay, and in our previous section, we demonstrate tuple can comparable. That is the very unique feature. Okay, good job. Bye bye. See you later. Bye.